it's me, Kristine from Big Moon Channel, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to be opening 2 puppies. So first, let's start with the apricot puppy. So here is the apricot poodle puppy. This is a my American Girl. It retails for $28. So here is the chew toy. So here is the chew toy. It is purple, it is plastic, and the apricot puppy, it attaches to its mouth like a magnet. So it's really cool like that. So like if you put it on a puppy, it falls off, so you can pretend it is holding on to its mouth. And here is the apricot poodle puppy. It is yellow. It's really cute. It has a bunch of fur on it. It has a little tail. And it is posable, so the puppy can sit down, so you can bend it. So the puppy can look like you sit down, and then you can make it lay down. Like this. Like a real puppy. And you can make it back to standing up. But the thing I don't like about this puppy, it's the fur comes off and then it falls off to the table. And it has a long tag, and it has a tail. It's curved, so it's like, yeah. So that is the apricot poodle puppy. And I'll put that to the side. Next thing we're going to open is the terrier puppy. And yeah. So here is the same thing that I got for So here's the same thing that I got for the apricot poodle puppy. It's the same thing. It's a little chew toy that attaches to the doggy's mouth. And the terrier puppy is just the same thing. It can move its legs and arms. It can sit down like this. And it has black on its body and white on his feet or paws, and then his whole head is white. And he has cute little pink ears inside of his. And it also has a long tail. And the thing I don't like about this is it also falls like little hair pieces on the table, on my table. And this is what his face looks like with all his hair on his face. He has a bunch of hair. Okay. So these are my 2 pets that I just got today. And their names, this one's name is Brooklyn and this one's name is Grace. And I want to show you my pets collection, or it's called a pet family. So I'll put these to the side and I'll tell them their name and show them who they are. First, we have Coconut / Annie, because it has a little collar that says Annie on it. So that is Coconut. Put them to the side. Next, I have Gracie, and it is Grace's dog. Next, I have Pepper, which is a really old pet, by the way. The last pet is Kit's pet, which is Grace. So there's 2 dogs named this one's named Pepper, this one's named Coconut / Annie, and this one's named Brooklyn. So that is all my pets collection, and I have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's all today. So bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Also, please subscribe to my channel, Big Moose 2010 and Big Moon 02. And also, please check out my Instagram. Bye.